Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 4.2. Let's first start with the first subdivision. Let's look at the transformation that we are going to make here. I'm going to say the first row is going to be A into R1. The second row is going to be B into R2. And the third row, new row, is going to be C into R3. So let's make up this transformation. So first row I'm multiplying by A, meaning 1A and ABC. The second row I'm multiplying by B. So this will become 1B and again an ABC. The third row is going to be multiplied by C. So 1C and another ABC comes in. Now what we see, the last column in this determinant is the same. So let's take out the value. So ABC into, now the determinant will reduce as 1ABC and 1, 1, 1. So the moment we see two columns are equal, you can subtract one column from the other. So ABC into, I'm putting C1 minus C3 as my new transformation. So 0, 0, 0. A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. So now I see that one column is equal to 0 completely. That means the value of this particular determinant is 0. Now let's take up the second. Determinant. Now let's take up the second determinant. In this case, let's see how we can write the transformation. So I'm writing C2 is equal to C2 minus C1. So this is my transformation here. And C3, I'm going to write this as C3 is equal to C3 minus C2. So first let's make up this first transformation. So A plus B, 2A plus B, 4A plus B. So now I can first do this transformation. So C3 minus C2 means 3A plus B minus 2A plus B. So this is going to be A and another A. Whereas C2 minus C1 means this row column minus this column. So you get to have another A and A. So now there are two columns that are having the same value. So the next transformation will be C2 is equal to C2 minus C3. So this will become A plus B, 2A plus B, 4A plus B. The second column is reduced to 0. The last column remains A as such. So you see one column's value is completely become 0. So the value of this determinant is 0 too. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video.